Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat and engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle